Lane. Lane.
Fantasy. Discovery.
Today, what is today? 20th? May 20th, 2007. Lane. Probably not a good thing to be chewing on. Lane, can you walk? Oh, that hurt. Uh-oh is right. Can you stand up? Can you stand up? Huh? Can you turn it to mute, baby? Why are we still saying uh-oh? Yeah, there you go. Are you anticipating a fall? Can Lane clap? No, Mom, we only do one thing at a time. Where are you going? Yeah? You can't get enough of the uh-oh, huh? Oh, you know what's in there. Where are you going? Oh, you gotta shut that? Thank you. Thank you. She likes to thank herself. Oh, we found a cord. She loves carrying around this cord. Thank you. Thank you. Lane, you have your back to the camera. Why don't you turn around? Lane. Lane. Laney. Hi. What are you doing over here? I don't think Daddy wants you playing with those. Do you think? I think Daddy and Uncle John might have a heart attack.
He said somebody told him that Jamie Doyle was killed in a car crash.
Lane. What are you doing? Lane. Lane. Can you give those to Mama? Hi, Lane. You're just so busy. She loves putting stuff around her neck, which really isn't a good thing, safe thing, but oh, she loves these little cords, which really isn't a safe thing either, but what can you say? Are you gonna lasso? I guess it's okay as long as we watch her closely. Lane, can you say uh-oh? Uh-oh. Can you say thank you? Thank you. Thank you. Can you say mama? Can you say mama? How about dada? Oh, she's busy. Gotta mail this stuff. What you should do? Say mama. That's fun. What is that? What is that? So cute. Lane'll be 14 months old tomorrow. She sees a button she can push.
His wife works at the CIA.
Hi. Hi. What are you doing? Hi. Today is July 2nd. Lane is getting so big. She's pushing Tupperware across the floor. This is the reason you have to wash Tupperware every time you get it out before you use it. Lane. Uh-oh. Hi. Lane. Can you say hi to the camera? We had 6 teeth just come in on top. Some of them are still working on their way, but I doubt Lane will show them to you. There's Daddy over there. Say hi.
Hi.
That was enthusiastic. Can you say hi? There's the teeth. Oh. It's a little close there, sugar. Lena's walking so well. What are you doing? Do you see buttons? Buttons? Is that fun? Can you say your words? We can say Mom, Dad, thank you, uh-oh, hi, and we're working on ball. Can you say ball? Ball?
Bah.
Yeah, that was good. Can you say Mama?
Bah, bah.
Baba? Can you... Lane. Can you say Dada?
Da, da.
Dada. Can you say uh-oh?
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. Say thank you. Thank you. Can you say bye-bye? Come back to our Tupperware. You can't figure out how to pick it up, can you? Look. Look. Can you say bye-bye? Lane, look at Mama. Say bye-bye. Can you wave? Bye-bye. Lano. Lano. Look at Mama. Can we say bye-bye? No. It's almost bedtime, can you tell? Bye-bye, Lane. Here's Lane making funny faces and eating her favorite food, spaghetti. And she already ate her other favorite food, peas. She got to have both favorites tonight, peas and spaghetti. Tell us what it is that you like about peas and spaghetti, Lane. Wow. You're so cute. After this, we're going to go on a walk. Oh, don't put food on the floor. After this, we're going to go on a walk, and then it's going to be bath time. See that face? You're showing out, aren't you? You're showing out. You're funny. Anything you want to say to your fans? Nope. Okay. And it's July 3rd. She's okay. Okay, Justin, tell us where we are.
We're at the fireworks show.
At Collin County. Lane!
Yeah.
Lane! Hi! And there's Collin County in the background. It's school. Hey! Lane's having trouble walking in this pasture. Her first 4th of July, so we'll see how she does with the fireworks. Well, last year, it was really her second, but she was so little and we didn't have any big fireworks. Lane! Lane Elizabeth! Where are you going? We don't know. Okay, it's almost 9:30 and we're waiting for the fireworks to start, and then we're also observing a Class A misdemeanor over here. People doing fireworks. Oh, here they are, here they are. And I don't know what Lane's gonna think. Do you like him, Lane? Is that just echo? Okay, we're not too sure.
Not gonna happen. We're grabbing me. Maybe. Let's go.
Oh, we can't leave.
#1 choice for satellite internet service in the country. And you can get it right now.
So what have you done here?
The high-speed action you've been craving. Faster surfing, faster download.
You've been sorting Mama's paints?
HughesNet delivers. Phone line, so this calls and dialing in are a thing of the
Thank
past.
you.
Is a clear view of the southern sky. HughesNet is brought to you by Hughes, the leading provider of satellite communications worldwide.
Hi. Today is July 5th, 2007. Lane is helping me in my art room. Sorting the paints, getting the acrylics separated from the oils. Actually, these are all acrylics. Getting them all lined up. Are you separating by warm and cool colors, Lane? No, that one must be different. Oh. Now it is 9:30. Lane should be asleep, but she's not. Here's the painting I'm working on for Mom and Dad. In the process. Okay, Lane, can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Nope. Did you scare her? Esther, he's just playing with you. Remember how you were scaring Lane and she thought it was fun? Why don't you go scare him back? No. Go scare him back. Oh, here comes Lane out the other side. There goes Papa. What's happening to the tent? Where's Lane? Lane Elizabeth.
She thought it was funny when I was there.
Lane did?
Yeah.
One time we all three got in there, it was a very tight squeeze. Lane. Lane Elizabeth. There's Esther. What's going on in that tent? What is going on in that tent? Think there's something in there. Oh, where's Lane? Where's Lane?
The toys are getting out.
Uh-oh. What are you going to do about it? Lane, come here. Lane, come here. Lane Elizabeth, what are you doing back there? Where are you, Lane? Oh, I see you. Mama caught ya. Today, what is today? The 30th of October? I mean, September 2007?
Yeah.
September 30th?
Leave me alone, I'm in a blackout. I'll talk to the press on Monday. Unreal.
Hi, Lane. 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 Come here. Lane. Come back. Oh, she ran away.
I'll go there.
She'll come back when she's ready.
Go back very far.
Lane Elizabeth.
That's as far as I'm
And I'll catch her when she runs in. You want to find her? Okay. It's her bedroom. Very exciting. The lamp that's possessed. Poltergeist lamp. It likes to do its own thing. Lane Elizabeth! Esther Scott!
I got her.
Oh, looks like you also got a blanket. Lane, come here! Can you give Mom a kiss? Can you give Mom a kiss? Oh. Who gave you that fabulous shirt? That would be your Uncle Kevin and Aunt Lauren. Hey,
Oh, yeah.
can you say up?
Up.
Down.
Up, down,
Up, down. Up, down.
down.
Go see what Cousin Esther's doing in the tent? You want to go see what Cousin Esther's doing in the tent? But she's making it more homey.
I'm gonna call it a house.
You're going to call it a house? Okay.
Papa! Wee.
Wee.
Howard.
Whistle!
Yeah. What are you doing, Lane? Look at that belly. Lane, where's your belly button?
Alex.
Where's your belly? No, you're not going to show it? Lane, can you dance?
Chip. You can carry that.
Well, I could come in except the camera has to be plugged in.
Papa! Come on in.
You want me to put down the camera and come in? Okay. Lane. Esther's so helpful leading Lane every place she needs to go. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye.
Lane, can you wave bye-bye? Lane's like, I'm leaving.
Well, kiss, Lane.
Lane, can you blow a kiss? Lane. Lane Elizabeth. Lane Elizabeth. Lane Elizabeth Beller. Hi. Can you share with the camera some of the things you've been saying today? Can you tell us some stuff? She's been just jabbering all day long. She sounds German. Or like she has a lisp. Can you speak? Lane? Boom, boom. Are you making loud noises with your feet? Lane, come here. Oh, that was nice. Lane. Lane. What do you have to say for yourself? You're gonna eat marked. Yuck. Look at this big mess. That was Mama's snack. What are we gonna do? You're gonna eat the ones out of the bowl. Can you clean up? Clean up. Clean up. Everybody, everywhere. Clean up. Alright. You know what though? Probably gonna put the ball down or you're just gonna dump it back out. Okay, you want Mama to help? You need help? Lane, do you need help? Uh-oh is right. Do you need Mama to help you? Huh? Are these your little mutterings? Okay, Mama help.